Okay, welcome. As the midpoints of the side of a triangle are a comma 5 minus 1 comma 3 over 2 and 3 comma 5 over 2. Find the equation of the size of the triangle. Use the equation to get the vertices of the triangle. So it's a very tricky equation. So first of all, let's draw a neat diagram. Okay, this is the diagram. As you can see, these are the points, the midpoints of the sides of the triangle, while these ones are the vertices of the triangle. So let's complete the triangle before we level completely. Okay, so this is the complete triangle. So let's name it A, B, and C. So why the midpoints, as you can see, this the negative one, so this should be, let's call it D, which is minus 1 comma 3 over 2. Why this is 1 5 1, so this should be 1. Let's call it E, 1 comma 5. Why the final one is F, which is 3 comma 5 over 2. So next thing is to get the equation. And how do you get the equation? As you can see, we use what we call point slope form of equation of a line. Yes, which is y minus y1 equal to m times x minus x1. So this is the point slope form of equation of a line. So in the equation, m is the slope, y x1 y1 is the point. So that's the point the line passes through. So we need to get the slope of this line AC for us to find the equation of line AC, and also others to get it. We need to, and how do you get the slope? So let's first get the slope of this line EF. So let's slope EF. So from our formula, we know that slope of a line is change in y over change in x. So we have 5 minus 5 over 2 over 1 minus 3. So this is 5 over 2 over minus 2, which is minus 5 over 4. So let's get slope of ED. Let's just get the slope of the lines. So we see that the slope is changing y, which is also 5 minus 3 over 2 over 1 minus 1. So I have 7 over 2 over 2. So I have 7 over 4. Y slope of DF is changing y over 2, which is 5 over 2 minus 3 over 2 over 3 minus 1. So this is 2 over 2, 1. So I have 1 over 4. So we've gotten the slope of this line. So let's now relate it to the slope of the size of the triangle. So from what we call mid-segment theorem, well, that's what you're going to use, because you'll be wondering how can we get the slope of AC, BC, and AB. Yes, once we know the slope of EF, ED, and DF, we can get the slope of the sides. So by what we call mid-segment theorem. So mid-segment theorem states that if you are given a triangle and if you have a segment that passes through the midpoint of any two sides of the triangle, as long as this is equal to this and this is equal to this, that the length, maybe if we call it x, is always equal to this half of the third side. So if here is x, here should be 2x, and is also parallel, so is also parallel to the third side. So that's mid-segment theorem, that the segment whose endpoints are the midpoint of the two sides of a triangle is always equal to half the length of the side of the third side and always parallel to the third side. So that's it. So what are we trying to say here? That this line is parallel to this side of the triangle, while this one is parallel to this. Finally, this one is parallel to this. So have you seen it? So once we know the slope of DF, we've known the slope of AC. So what are we trying to say? That this is also EF. Where is EF? EF is the same as AB, the slope of AB. While slope of ED is the same as slope of BC. While slope of DF, where is DF, is the same as slope of AC. So by mid-segment theorem. So let's now solve using this formula now, point slope form. So to get the equation of line passing through AC, so the point is 1,5, while the slope is 1/4. So therefore, the equation of AC is y minus 5 is equal to the slope is 1/4 x minus 1. Let's check. So AC, the point is 1,5 and the slope is the same as slope of DF, which is 1/4. Okay. So we'll multiply both sides by 4. I have 4y minus 20 equals x minus 1. Then I will have x minus 4y is equal to minus 19. Let's call it equation 1. So the equation of line AC is that. Okay. The second line, which is the equation of line, I think AB. So let's get the equation of line AB. So AB passes through minus 1,3/2 with slope minus 5/4. So minus 1. So I have y minus 3/2 is equal to minus 5/4 times x minus 1. So let's check to avoid mistake. Minus 5 over the same as f, which is minus 5 over 4. Okay, we are correct. So again, multiplying both sides by 4, so I have 4y minus 6 is equal to, we have minus 5x minus 5. So we have 5x plus 4y is equal to 6 minus 5, which is 1. So let's call it equation 2. So let's get equation of line. I've gotten AB, AC, AB, AC, so line BC. So it passes through 3,5 over 2 with slope 7 over 4. Equation of BC is y minus 5 over 2 is equal to 7 over 4 times x minus 3. So multiplying both sides by 4, so I have 4y minus 10 is equal to 7x minus 21. So we have that 7x minus 4y is equal to 11, equation 3. So we have 3 equations. So how do you get the, because we've gotten the equation of the line, we'll answer the first question. We asked to find the equation of the side of the triangle. So the next one is to use it to get the vertices of the triangle. So how do you get it? You see that to get the vertex of A is the point of intersection of AC and AB. So we'll solve AC. Therefore, let me use white. Therefore, the vertices, okay, the vertex of A is the point of intersection of, so which of them, AC and AB. So the point of intersection of equation 1 and equation 2. So let's solve. So we'll solve to get x and y. So by elimination, so we'll add to eliminate, okay, we can eliminate y by adding. So if we now do equation 1, let's just add before, we have 6x, this is 0, equal to minus 18, equation 1 plus equation 2. So which implies that x is minus 3. So we added equation 1 and 2 by elimination so that we can get x by eliminating y. Therefore y is now substitute. So y, choosing equation 1, we see that y is x plus 19 over 4, which is minus 3 plus 19 is 16. 16 over 4 is 4. Therefore, the coordinates, the vertex of A is now minus 3, 4. So let's get for B. The vertex of B is the point of intersection point of intersection of, so which one is common in I have AB here and I have BC of equation 2 and equation 3. So let's solve by elimination again. So we'll add, so if we add, so we'll have 12x is equal to 12. So we have equation 2 plus equation 3. So we have that x is 1. Therefore y, you will now choose any of them. So y, I will choose equation 1, 5x minus 1. Okay, I'm looking for y. Okay, it should be 1 minus 5x, sorry. 1 minus 5x. We are making y the subject of formula in equation 2. So we'll have 1 minus 5x over 4. So which is 1 minus x is 1. So 1 minus 4 over 4 is minus 1. Therefore, the coordinate of B is minus 1. That's 1 comma minus 1. So 1 comma minus 1. 1 comma minus 1. So that's it for B. So for C, is the point of intersection of which one? AC. So which AC and BC. So 1 and 3. So let's solve 1 and 3. So I have by subtraction. Yes, that's the best way. So by subtraction, so I have 7x minus x is 6x. So I'm doing equation 3 minus 1. So minus 4y minus 0. We have 11 minus, that is 30. So I have equal to 30. So what we did, equation 3 minus equation 1. So x is 5. Therefore y, we'll be choosing any of them, which is y will be x plus 19 over 4, which is x is 5. So 24 over 4 is 6. So the vertex of C is 5,6. So that's the answer. We've gotten the vertices. So it's a very tricky question, but also simple. It's tricky but simple. Thank you.